a love.
A love.
A love.
What is a whole entire love? Say?
Is the two circle combined? I'm trying to make a love.
Yeah. I've got this feeling that I get to.
We're not. When we get here.
I saw y'all recording, so I thought I might as well just hop in.
Like hello.
Like hey,
Like hey.
what's up?
You're dramatic.
Like no, I just saw y'all recording without me though. Like how y'all gonna do the girl dirty?
You felt hurt.
I felt so hacked. Like the least you could have said was, "Yo, we're recording." You know.
And the pictures are bomb.
How do you feel?
Nah.
Smile.
Like, I don't know what it is.
That's such a no-good smile. Yo, Sophie things.
Yeah. Is it not standard procedure though?
It has to be.
He has
It's standard. Can't even argue
edges
with
are
it.
laid.
Let's actually look at the pictures. What's up? Let's check,
The
let's check them out.
are laid. Like hello.
Look at the ladies
Hello.
doing the things, guys. Look at them.
Look at us.
Look at them.
Look at us.
You are kissing them. Hello.
Like hello.
Hello. You, the one that calls herself cute. The one that thinks she's the shit.
I
Aye.
am.
Really?
Say my name.
Aye.
Say my name, honey. Say my name. All right. Yes. Get the angles. Get the melanin. Get the.
Get the mountain behind you. Oh, it's actually proper.
Oh yeah.
It's actually a hill.
You guys are welcome.
What are they welcome to?
Me. Welcome to me.
Who are you? Why you?
I am in the sky, so fly that you can't deny. You got that? You got that?
I died. I died. Malooms. Njai Malooms.
Welcome back.
Mr. Malooms, coming up, man. Just
Max, man.
Jay Malooms.
Yo, 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 yo. So we're here, guys, and today I'm featuring one of my girls. You'll see this girl like a lot of times, man. She's gonna be a usual backing, and don't worry.
A regular.
We're about to do big things, man. We're about to do big things. Yes, Capadia creators.
Capadia.
You know, featuring everything.
Capadia.
Watch out.
She must come here. Come here. Go into the frames.
This is our full-time stocker. She's fully employed.
Advertise more. When we're broke, right?
How you advertise me?
It's her tender. That's how deep it is. It's her tender.
So when you're a tender, when
I'm just a tender.
and you just allow them to.
She's the poster girl. She's gonna be the one that lets people subscribe and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So.
And you're allowing to this.
I signed the contract. It's
It comes with benefits though. Of course, we can't tell you guys because all of a sudden everyone's gonna want to be our stocker.
You know?
Yeah. So that's what's up.
Funan, say hi to the people, but. The people.
Why are you being this person?
Say hi to the people in general.
Hi people, I don't even know who you are, but like hi people.
This is going on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Is it?
So you just said that to the people on YouTube.
What are you looking at, little nigga?
Aye. You want people to subscribe to your channel, but now you. Why?
Yeah. Trying to get me in my element.
Till interview come for a shoot.
So right now, right here, we're live jive at Clifton. If this water can just touch my feet. We're doing, isn't this a photo shoot? Isn't this a Beautiful lifestyle, Mama. The levels. We're doing shoots here. The only thing that's boring me is that we didn't eat, and I'm hungry. Okay. So I'm here with Lucero, the one and only.
Bono.
Official stalker. Oh, there's a guy swimming. What?
Your girl.
How's your photo shoot? Your improvised photo shoot.
Dude, I'm wet, but it's okay.
Too many thighs, guys. Too many thighs.
Guys, out. Hey! Very nice. The lighting is a bogey.
Your official stalker has been called.
She even agrees now, guys.
Like,
She even agrees
my
now,
name
guys.
now. What? The official stalker.
The official stalker, bro.
Guys, where the fuck did we put our shit? You know, I even don't remember now. Oh, there it is. Ha, let me go back and go check my shit.
DJ Ruben.
Soy Chacabambe.
What you trying to do?
Look, everybody, I'm trying to make a love.
A love.
A love.
What is a whole entire love, Nze?
Is the two circle combined?
Uh-huh.
I'm trying to make a love.
Let's see a love. The making of a love.
I'm making love.
Just say that on camera, ne?
Yeah, I'm making love.
With who?
With
Who are you making the love with?
Brother Earth,
Who's Brother Earth? Where's he from?
Brother Nature. Yeah.
Are you done? Were they gonna destroy the love? Did they
The
destroy
water
the love?
wants to destroy the love.
Did they destroy it?
They didn't. I protected the love.
No water formed against you shall
Oh, wait,
prosper.
okay, come see my love.
Okay.
Come see my love.
Alright,
I
sir.
created love.
Hey. Let's look at this love, guys. Let us see. This is it.
It's the love.
It looks very deformed.
Yeah, I had to protect it against the waters.
So now there are some deformities.
Yeah. Well, guess what? Fuck love!
Yeah.
Well, everybody, I didn't know that it was a video.
You didn't know?
So, thanks for watching. Yeah.
You're so